Aloha, and thank you for tuning in to my very first unboxing of a very interesting book that I enjoy immensely, The Secret Teachings of All Ages by Manly P. Hall. This unboxing is not sponsored in any way by Taschen. I simply was so excited to receive this in the mail today that I wanted to share it all with you. And that way, anyone who's curious on what exactly you will get in the box and willing to make the investment in this delightful reprinting of that very elusive occult tome by Manly P. Hall should be happy to watch this video. I was unprepared by the weight of the package as well as the contents of the book. Though I had perused it before, now having my own copy, I was very pleased with the amount of depth and care that was taken into this reprinting. So much so that I realized my folly and put on a pair of gloves. Anyways, there's a lot to unpack here. First, you receive 4 very beautiful prints that would be at home framed on the wall of your own occult laboratory or alchemist's study, whatever it is that you do. These would be beautiful on any wall. Also, the book is a cornucopia of reference materials, which anyone would be pleased to own in their own occult library. I have many tomes in my own, and this one is perhaps one of my crowning joys, up there with the collections in the British Museum from 1903. The book is quite large and unwieldy, but it is generously supplied with a slipcase with some delightful art. I hope you consider purchasing this wonderful book, whether in first edition or in a later reprint, as I believe it constitutes one of the greatest collections of occult lore in the English language. I have been busy working on my theories, and I'm sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded anything to my channel regarding my theoretical physics. However, there's been some unfortunate life changes that have occurred recently, and so I've had to refocus. But now I have considerably more time and will likely have other videos on my theoretical physics soon. I decided to start doing a series on writers' reference materials, and this video will hopefully be the first of many in that series. Hence, its clumsy and overall approach. I hope you all forgive me. Now, we're going to be diving inside the book, and I hope you're excited. I have seen an original printing of this book before, and gotten to peruse it. And when I saw there was a reprinting of the full book, not shrunk down and not edited in any way, I leapt at the chance and was very pleased with the result. If you are interested in seeing more unboxing videos, or perhaps writers' references, then leave me a comment below so that I know. I haven't figured out how to use my audio editing software correctly yet, and so, unfortunately, this recording is full of pauses and stutters because I have to do it in one take, and this is the perhaps 10th attempt. Now we're diving into the book. Check out that beautiful artwork. The pages are richly illuminated with footnotes, full color pictures, alchemical symbols, and it is a true delight to hold in your own hand. And though it is a hefty investment, especially with the exchange here living in Canada, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, it is quite cold. However, I think that it is worth every penny that I spent on it. There are 2 foldouts within the book, as well as many, many pages and full color, full page artworks throughout it as well. But that is not to be compared with the amount of unabridged knowledge that pours from in this tome from Manly P. Hall to us. It is also accompanied by a companion book, which I will be showing next. A writer should have many references in their library. I believe to read broadly is to write grandly, and though my books are certainly not taking off and I am not by any means a household name, I feel that the purpose of writing, first and foremost, should be for the self. Here is the companion book, which is new. I have never seen it nor held any copy of something similar in my hand, so this one was quite a delight to read through as well. And I look forward to delving into it further, as perhaps, like the Carl Jung's Red Book, the companion that is available, it will illuminate me on stuff that even evades my own understanding of this work. Perhaps you yourselves will consider purchasing it for yourself to enjoy as I have enjoyed. And just as everything is unpacked so are things returned to their starting state. As above, so below. And so I rebox everything back inside. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. And now for a little bit of shameless self-promotion. As many of you know, I am a writer, and my theoretical physics videos are not my only little piece of work. This is Autoslav, a science fiction novel set in a dystopic hellscape world where every possible disaster has gone wrong, and giant robots fight the horrors of the lawless vast. It is a odd book, to say the least, but I did have a positive review from Kirkus that I feature on the back of the book. Also, I have another book set in the same universe. However, this one is a bizarre time travel adventure called Balashika, named after the city of Joy. I hope that you might be inspired to check out these books because, well, I put a lot of work into them, and I hope that they might bring you some joy. Anyways, that's about all. Garrett Ford does not write fiction merely for fun.